If you're looking for an all-in-one fitness app that helps you achieve your wellness goals and lose weight, I think we found the one. And here's the catch, you don't even need a gym. This is Lasta, and with over 1.1 million users in 2025, it aims to be the last fitness and wellness app you ever need. So in today's video, I'll be going over the overall user experience, my favorite features, and whether or not the app is actually worth it. Before we dive deep into the app, I want to start off with what surprised me the most about the app. So let's start off with the workout experience. So when you start a workout in Lasta, you don't just get a basic workout audio or video. You receive audio guidance explaining how to perform each movement, a visual progress bar showing how much time is left, written instructions on screen, and the ability to AirPlay workouts to compatible devices.
Engage your core to support your spine as you maintain an upright posture. Slowly bring your right hand to the left side of your head, just above.
And this is really nice because it kind of creates this experience like you're having a workout class, but instead of going somewhere, you do it inside at your convenience in your own home. And because of how continuous and clear the instructions are, it makes all the workouts really easy to follow no matter your experience level. And the best part is that Lasta actually offers a ton of workouts, like a lot of workouts. You get low impact workouts like yoga, you get Tai Chi, and also Asian Pilates. And I gotta say, the Asian Pilates is a good one to try. And if you don't like those, you get a bunch of strength workouts. You also get calisthenics, stretching, and so much more. So every workout includes a guided video, which really makes you feel like you're doing the workout with someone, as if you're having a coach next to you. And this is really nice because it's a nice change from just reading off a list of how to do the exercise. And every single workout includes a video and audio guidance. That way you feel like you're actually being coached instead of getting a list of instruction of how to do the exercise instead. Okay, moving on to goals and workout plans. So after onboarding, users get to select their primary fitness goal. Now, for my experience, I decided to go with weight loss, and also I decided to go with, well, Asian Pilates, which I found particularly entertaining and fun to do. Now, no, I'm not going to show no videos of me doing the Asian Pilates. And like I mentioned before, you don't have to go with Asian Pilates. You can go with a ton of other workouts like calisthenics, Tai Chi, and many others, depending on your preference and your goal. So the workout challenges are oriented around 28-day challenges, which honestly helps with consistency while keeping your experience engaging and also fun to do. And the nice thing is that the daily low impact workouts start about 7 minutes per day, which also give you an estimated calorie burn and can make it feel very manageable for people with really busy schedules. Now, from the moment I open this app, and probably the same experience you're gonna have, is that the design of the app is super fluid and really easy to operate. Honestly, from the moment you open the app, I was really surprised by how fluid and high-end the app really felt. Lasta really puts a strong emphasis on design and usability. Like all apps, the onboarding process is pretty straightforward, and then it allows the app to personalize recommendations based on your individual goals. And just by navigating, you can tell that the interface feels fluid, optimized, and visually polished. And quite honestly, it's probably one of the best apps I've used with a really good design, because each exercise is actually presented with not only high quality images, but also high quality videos demonstrating that exact exercise for every single workout, which honestly just adds to the premium feeling of this app. Navigation is simple and intuitive. The bottom menu is divided into 3 primary sections: My Plan, Workouts, and more. The My Plan section functions as a daily checklist. For example, my plan included Asian Pilates or indoor walking session, a calorie goal, and a step target, all of which felt realistic and achievable. The workout section provides access to the full exercise library, offering options for a wide range of fitness levels and preferences. Now, under the More section, Lasta offers a bunch of built-in tracking features. So instead of relying on multiple apps, users can typically track everything they mostly want all in one app, which again reinforces Lasta's all-in-one wellness app. Some of the trackable metrics include water intake, weight tracking, calorie consumption, and your mood. And of course, each tracker is simple, easy, and clean to use, so it's optimized for the users. So is Lasta actually worth it? So Lasta offers flexible pricing for 1, 3 to 6 months. For a basic personalized plan, the plans start around $10 per month. But for my regular viewers, if you use my link in the description, you actually get 83% off when you do a subscription. I believe all you gotta do is take the quiz, start the plan, and then definitely let me know your experience in the comments below. Now, with that being said, who is Lasta made for? Now, I believe that Lasta is built for people who want to work out at home, who want beginner-friendly and equipment-free training at the convenience of their own home, all in an app. And of course, value high-quality functioning apps with AirPlay support. So yeah, Lasta offers a strong all-in-one alternative to paid online workout programs or fitness classes. Given the size of the workout library and the level of guidance provided, the price may be justified for users looking for a comprehensive fitness and wellness solution. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That's the end of the review for Lasta. If you guys found any value out of this, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you want to see everything, tech, lifestyle, and fitness, every single subscribe means the world to me, and I never take any of it for granted. I post every Wednesday, Saturday, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.